Welcome back, children. I hope you have already gone through the video which I have posted yesterday. A treat for the mosquito, part 1. Children, I have divided this lesson into two parts. In first part, I have already taught you about the mosquito, disease spread by mosquitoes, habitat of mosquito, how to prevent mosquito breeding, and etc. Today, again, I am here with you all for explaining more concept in from this lesson. What are they? Let's start the lesson and go through it one by one. Children, whenever you have visited to the doctor, have you noticed that doctor will check your eyes, tongue, your palm, nails, etc.? Yes, yes. If you have fever, doctor should check only temperature or your pulse rate. But no, doctor is checking eyes, tongue, palm, nails, etc. Right? Do you know why? Because doctor wants to check that your body is maintaining correct hemoglobin level or not. Are you healthy or anemic? At your home, your grandmother, your mother, even all your family member will insist you that eat spinach, beetroot, apricot, beans, peas. What they will say, beta, eat the healthy food, eat vegetables, eat fruit. It will increase your hemoglobin. It will increase your blood level in your body. I'm right. This is the common statement at home. Now the big question are there in front of you all because this is very new to you. What is that? That is, what is hemoglobin and what is anemia? So don't worry, children, your teacher is there with you. Let's start the lesson and I will teach you about it one by one. Now, first is what is anemia? Anemia is very common problem in children, not only in children, in adult also. When this anemia will come? When a person who does not have enough red blood cells or hemoglobin in the body. Hemoglobin is a type of protein. It is made up of the combination of iron and protein. Hem means iron, globin is a protein which helps oxygen to carry to other cells of the body or to other parts of the body. Now you can see three pictures on the screen. First picture is a cell of RBCs, which is a healthy RBCs having beautiful red color. Hemoglobin is only responsible to give red color to the cell. Second slide, RBCs are there, but RBCs are faded, light in color because that slide is not having sufficient, that patient is not having sufficient hemoglobin or iron in the body. Children, there are so many kind of anemia in human body. But today I want to tell you about the iron deficiency anemia and sickle cell anemia. Iron deficiency anemia is a kind of anemia when your iron is lack of iron is there in your blood, and sickle cell anemia is a kind of anemia in children where the RBC will take the shape of sickle. Now you will ask, what is sickle? Have you noticed farmer is having sickle with them for cutting their crop? Yes, exactly that shape will take by RBC and will not able to perform the work. That's why sickle cell anemia will come to the children. Children, have you noticed sometime you or your friend or your cousin or your family member, some of they only want to sit. They don't want to go out and play. They don't want to do any extra work. They feel sleepy, and sleepy. Most of the time, they will feel laziness only. Yes, do you know why? This is due to anemia. And how this anemia will come? Due to the lack of hemoglobin in the blood. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Now we will discuss about the symptoms of Anemia. As your teacher already taught you, whenever you have any disease, there are a specific symptoms related to the disease. For anemia also, there are the specific symptoms: weakness, pale skin, shortness of breath, headache, dizziness, cold hands and feet, brittle knees. Children, be alert. If you have symptoms like this, start eating iron rich food or go to the doctor. Now, my next topic is hemoglobin. As your teacher already taught you that what is hemoglobin? Hemoglobin is the combination of iron and protein. Yes, you are right. He means iron and globin is a very true. Globin is a protein. Hemoglobin is a protein present in RBCs, red blood cell, that carry oxygen in your body. Hemoglobin is a very, very, very essential component of your body. If you doesn't have enough hemoglobin in your body will not able to transfer oxygen to each and every part of the body, and this is the only reason why you are feeling lazy, feeling want to sleep and sleep. Now children, our body is maintaining minimum level of hemoglobin we can calculate with the unit deciliter, right? So the normal range of hemoglobin in men is 13.5 to 17.5 gram per deciliter, or in short form it is written as 13.5 to 17.5 gram per dl. For women, it's 12.0 to 15.5 gram per dl. Children, it varies pathology lab to lab. Correct. One more important fact I want to tell you: small children, infant baby, newborn baby, have their hemoglobin is 18 gram to 25 grams. Now, see, this is the blood report of Aarti. Now, watch carefully. When Aarti went to the doctor, when Aarti is having that symptoms with her, which I told you already, she went to the doctor. Doctor examined her, and after that, doctor said, you go to the pathology lab and do the hemoglobin test. And when the test report came, Aarti is having only 8 grams of hemoglobin in the blood. This shows that Aarti is having anemia. So this is the only method of examine anemia, by doing the blood test. So children, we should always eat green leafy vegetables like spinach, fruits like pomegranate, apple, bananas, etc. Dry fruit like kishmish, dates, apricot. It will help you to increase your hemoglobin level in your blood. One more important thing, children, you should keep in your mind and please include in your diet. You should always include vitamin C rich food like lemon or orange in your diet, as it helps in iron absorption. When your body is in the process of absorbing iron from the food, these vitamin C help for the absorption. So children, that's all for the lesson. I hope you understood it, and please eat healthy food, lots of vegetables, lots of fruit. I will call randomly to your mama and ask whether you have started eating healthy food or not. Have you started eating fruits or not? So be prepared or get ready that to get my call anytime. So children, stay home, stay safe and eat healthy food and fruits and vegetables. Till then, bye bye. Take care.